The work we're doing here has been going on for the last 15 years. The problem we're trying to solve is that of fallout. Fallout affects us all, and I think it is our duty as parents to look after our own children and protect them from the modern hazards. Now, the method that I've evolved is to put natural minerals into sugar to form a sweet. My children's idea was to make a lollipop. They put them on the end of sticks. Now, this lollipop isn't just a gimmick, it's that we made a mixture of natural occurring minerals to put into sugar, and this came out in the formula of a lollipop, of a fondant. One of the natural occurring minerals we wanted was cream of tartar, another was strontiated sugar, and another was iodized flour, and some honey to supply some other minerals. So we took the strontium rock and made a strontiated sugar, which we have there, and this is what we came up with. In the same way with the iodine, this tobacco plant has been grown on natural iodine so that it won't take up the radioiodine. The idea is to fill our bodies up with natural strontium so they cannot take up any radioactive strontium. We take the strontium rock, which we find near Bristol, and we mix that rock with sugar and put the minerals, the natural minerals, back into the sugar from which they have been removed by manufacturers. So the material we finish up with is the one that our ancestors used to eat, a mineralized sugar. This we put in a lollipop mixture, and the children can eat this in perfect safety. By filling the body up with these natural minerals, natural iodine, natural strontium, and this potato, for example, is grown on natural iodine, natural strontium. By filling our food up with these natural minerals, we cannot take up radioactive minerals, and therefore we are immunized against fallout. It's common knowledge in medicine that if the body is filled up with natural iodine, it cannot take up any radioiodine. In the case of this tobacco plant, we're growing it on a seaweed preparation which is rich in natural iodine, so that this plant will not take up radioiodine. We have put this natural iodine into a capsule. These capsules could be taken by cattle so that they would not take up any radioiodine from pasture. We have put this iodized flour in this lolly mixture so that children who eat these lollies cannot take up radioiodine. At home, my children eat these lollies in which we put the natural minerals, and the food we grow at home, such as this potato and these vegetables, are grown on soil onto which we put these natural minerals, which we get from seaweed and from other vegetables rich in such natural minerals, which my children are collecting for me on the beach. So the answer to the problem of fallout is to fill our bodies up with the natural minerals that protect us against radiation, and one good effect of this is my children have excellent teeth.